Hi, my name's Dan. Today we're swapping out a tire and frame, front tire and frame for my Granite Peak Roadmaster mountain bike. And I got the old tire off. What I did is I loosened these bolts with a 15mm wrench, and I also I squeezed the brake and loosened it, loosened the brake out so the tire wouldn't slide out. And now I'm swapping in the newer tire and putting it in. And you've got the tire on. Now we want to just make sure these washers lined up both sides. Do the same to the other side, tighten it, and then connect the brake, and we're ready to go. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.